Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you the voucher code for today event, and this code is going to last for only 5 hours. So after watching this video, go ahead and input this code. This code is going to end at 11 UTC. Nigerian time is 11 o'clock p.m. So go ahead, after watching this video, go ahead and input this code. So once you come here, you are going to notice that have a voucher code. This is not where you are going to put this code. This is not where you are going to put this code. Where you are going to put this code is you are going to click on mission. Once you click on mission, then you are going to click on sport protocol. You can see it here. This is where you are going to put this code. So you are going to scroll down and you are going to see event. So for me, I've completed this task, but you are going to click on it. You can see event. Once you click on it, then it's going to show you where you are going to put this code, somewhere around here. This is the code that you are going to put. You can see the code on your screen. This is the code that you are going to put. So after watching this video, go ahead and input this code, and this code is going to last for only 1 day. So go ahead and input this code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.